Hello and welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be repairing our Ryobi hybrid leaf blower with our plastic welding gun. If you haven't seen the video of this plastic welding gun kit, I'll put a link in the lower left hand side of your screen. You may have seen another video of me repairing this and it's come apart. I don't know, I'm guessing it's due to plastic degradation or just maybe it's just too heavy. We're going to start by removing the old staples. By the way, these staples will fly. I would suggest shutting your eyes when you cut these because these staples will fly. Also, at a later date, we're going to do something about this end here. Maybe attach some metal. Attachment isn't the weak point here, but we're going to go ahead and put some more staples on it. But first, before we do that, we're going to go ahead and heat up the plastic. Okay, hold the trigger down about 10 seconds to get heated up. Off camera, we went ahead and welded everything together. Okay, we've inspected all around that it fits flush. So what we're going to do is staple reinforcements all around, and then we'll melt some screen on there. The key to this is to hit at strategic points and making sure we're flush. Now you're going to have to practice with this so you don't burn too much through it. And that feels good to me. We've installed staples on all four corners. Our kit comes with various staples. This is a V-shaped, and it's going to work out great right here. And here's the one we just installed, and we're going to go ahead and cut the rest of them. Now, very important, these things will come flying, so seriously wear eye goggles and keep your hand over while you're like that. Okay, I'm holding the trigger down for about 10 seconds to let it heat up. Then we're going to cut, so cover this with our hand so it doesn't go flying. They're going to be using the stitch pattern staple. going to install the V-shaped staple here. Well, there are two more as well. Okay, we have three here. Okay, we're going to put a stitch here. Making sure it covers across the bridge there, area. Making sure the staple is covering across here. These are going to be weak points here. So we're going to be putting all three here. We're going to seal up this crack here. Now they're going to repeat the same on the other side. Okay, off camera we added some more strategic points. You remember what I said about the staples flying? Yeah. I placed a few here. We've added staples on both sides. Originally I was thinking of adding screen to this, but I don't believe it's necessary. All these stitches. I'll make an instructional video at a later date for the plastic rods in the screen. I believe we're going to call this one Stitch Face. Be sure to visit my channel and check out all my fluent videos.